guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. As you guys read, today we're going to be making a seafood boil. So I have everything lined up for you guys. So we're going to go through what we need for this boil, okay? So we have obey, this big old thing of obey. You're going to need a little bit of adobo, black pepper. I put oregano in mine. Some people do, some people don't. You're going to need paprika, cayenne pepper, accent salt is the key for all your meals. 5 cubes of Maggi cubes, lemon juice, lemon pepper seasoning, seafood seasoning, seafood boil seasoning, Worcester sauce, minced garlic, sticks of butter. This is very, very important. I like to have my bowl ready as well as all of my measuring stuff because you're gonna have to measure some stuff for the season for the sauce. And then I like to put some honey in it. It helps to make it a little bit sweet. You're gonna need andouille sausages. This one is the Cajun style one. Got it at Walmart, so yeah. A pack of corn. Shrimp. I like to get the one that's doesn't have a tail, it's headless too. If you want your seafood boil to be very spicy, I suggest getting habanero. You can get this at the African restaurants or like any intercontinental restaurant shops. Some onions, your pack of red potatoes, snow crabs. Some people like king crab. I love king crab. Whatever seafood you want to put. You want to put lobster tails, you can put whatever, you can put it in there. And then a pack of eggs because we're going to boil that and put that in there. I already have my water boiling to start off. Now I'm going to add all the seasonings. So all of these seasonings right here that I mentioned, you're going to put that in there while it boils, and then we'll move on to the next steps. So see you guys. Alright y'all, so I'm just adding in the seasoning. I already put the obey, the adobo, and the accent. I'm putting in the cayenne pepper, some paprika, Maggi cubes, and once the water comes to a boil, you'll go ahead and add in your corn and your potatoes and your eggs. But first, we're gonna have to get this together. If this Maggi cube would open, I like to break up my Maggi cubes when I'm putting it in there. It just helps it dissolve, you know. All the Maggi cubes I put in there, so now I'm just gonna sprinkle in there. If you're black, you know we don't measure anything, so you just pour until your wrist says, okay, that's enough, and that's really how it goes. Ooh, the sauce is already coming together. We love that. Not the sauce, but the bowl. Now I'm putting lemon pepper seasoning in there. The seafood seasoning. Since the water is already boiled, I can go ahead and add what I need to add, and then put a squirt or two of lemon juice in here. All right, so that's boiled up. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the corn, and remember to wash your potatoes, especially during these times, because that's very important. Ooh, child. That corn was not playing, except poof. Alright y'all, so I washed my potatoes. Now I'm about to pour it in there, and then I'm also going to put in the shrimp. Okay. The corn scared me, so now I have to like carefully put these potatoes in here. Which child, I'm not gonna cook for about 20 minutes. So Alexa, timer for 20 minutes, please. Alexa, 20 minutes on timer.
20 minutes, starting now.
There she goes. Alright, while that boils, we're gonna go ahead and come over here and put our seasonings in the bowl for what we're gonna do for our sauce. Alright, y'all, I got my little brother to help me. So you're gonna need a teaspoon of accent salt. Ooh, that's good. Just shake it and then we'll measure it up. And you're gonna put it in your bowl that you have prepared. Now everything else you're gonna need a tablespoon of.
Oh, wrong side.
If you want, you can pour it above here, like above your bowl, so you don't. You got a tablespoon of that. Obey. Paprika. Yeah, the paprika might take a little bit of time to get it all out because of the fillers, but you just gotta keep striving. Hold on here. Another trick to help, sometimes I would like tap it against the counter and it helps to loosen it up and get it out. So here, how about I help you do that? Ah, here we go. You put it in your bowl, and then you do the same thing with your cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a lot easier to come out. Just squeeze the sides a little bit. Hold on. Let me shake it to make sure that it's a good amount. Okay, yeah. Put it in the bowl. Okay, that's good. That's good. Oh, God. That was coming out way too fast. All right, adobo's in here. Black pepper. Black pepper.
Ah. Don't worry.
That's why you use a sprinkly side. That's a lot of black pepper.
Don't worry about
Going
it.
to waste.
It's not gonna go to waste. I'll use it later.
Don't waste your black pepper, y'all. Okay, and then you're gonna need lemon pepper seasoning.
How can I taste this? Can I open my mouth? I can taste it. You know what I mean?
Not really, but okay.
Is that good?
Pour a little bit more in there. All right. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Next, the oregano. And then you're gonna need 1/4 cup of Worcester sauce and 1 teaspoon, well actually 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Change pots because the first one wasn't big enough. The snow crabs were way bigger than I anticipated. So everything's in here and it's boiling. I put 10 minutes on the timer for that. Now we're gonna work on what's gonna make the sauce spicy, which is the pepper sauce. So I have the habanero in here with some onions and a little bit of water, and we're gonna blend that. I might have put a little bit more water than what I wanted to in there, but that's fine. It's all gonna marinate together, so it's fine. Now that that's ready. When it's time to make your sauce, you're gonna pour it in there, or you can pour it into the bowl that your pre-made sauce is already done, if you want to do that. After that, all right, now we're gonna go ahead and slice up, well, I already started slicing up your Andalane sausages. Because that's almost ready. So we're gonna go ahead and you want to start prepping your stuff. So as you can see over there, I have the bags prepped to be put in the pot for when I put it in the oven. I need to set the oven on 400 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and preheat that after cutting this up. And you want to check to see how many more minutes you have left on the timer. Perfect timing. All right, so now your pot with all of your stuff is ready.
Alexa,
it smells amazing.
Stop.
So now that that's ready, we can work on our sauce. And we can go ahead and preheat our oven for 400 degrees. So come on along with me. Let's scoop this to the side. And preheat our oven to 400 degrees. All right. And you can go ahead and add in your Andalane sausage to your pot right now if you want, and let it marinate with the rest of the stuff. So we're gonna slide this in here. Woo. It's gonna bake in the oven when everything bakes. So if you don't cook it, I mean, sometimes you can cook the Andalane sausage in the pan before you make your sauce, or you can just put it in there and it's gonna bake in the oven. So trust me, you're not eating undercooked stuff. All right, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and put your full pack of butter in here. There's 4 sticks. So you're gonna need all 4 sticks. And put your stove on medium heat. Butter doesn't take that long to cook, so you're gonna have to move quickly. I say as I move slowly. Then you're gonna go put your peppers in here. You're gonna sprinkle more of your paprika and your cayenne pepper. That's what helps to give it the red look. All right, y'all, so y'all remember our bowl? We'll make sure we're gonna add that in there now too. And then we're gonna put our pepper sauce in here. Alright guys, now this is what your sauce should look like at the end of this. And we're gonna go ahead and take all of that out and put it into the bags and put it in the oven because the oven's ready now. All right, y'all, so now we're gonna put everything in the bag. You wanna make sure that you put things in there evenly. I already put the crabs in here, as well as the corn and we de-shelled the eggs, and that's in the bags. So you're just gonna scoop and put it in between. If you're doing 2 bags or more than 1 bag, you wanna do it evenly. But if you're just doing 1 bag, then beloved, go ahead, you just put it all in 1 bag. And then after that, you're gonna pour this sauce into it, and you're gonna shake it. And then you're gonna close it up and put it in the oven. this up. Alright, y'all, so my favorite part is pouring the sausage. Y'all, this sauce, I just got a taste of it. It's so good. Oh my goodness. Might be better than the first round. Ooh, chop. So you want to take the bag out of the pot and really just let everything marinate. Oh, be careful because the crab will put a hole in it, so you have to be really careful when you move it around. Alright, now it's ready to go in the oven. Alright, y'all, so after baking it for 10 minutes in the oven, you're just gonna go ahead and put it in the bowl and you're free to eat your boil. So that's it. See you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.